Alright guys, so we're back out here. We have top loaders. So we opened up a Phoenix Mega Box. We opened up a Optic Mega Box. And now we're opening up a Zenith Mega Box. I heard that we could pull kabooms. I looked at some stuff that's in this product, and it is absolutely crazy, man. We just used this. I don't even know what it is. Lucky metal piece. I don't know. No turning back now. We just opened it. So let's go. We got 6 packs. Let's make sure there is 6 packs. Does it say on average per box? Okay. All right. Let's. Oh, look at those. Oh yeah. Those are some fat. 14 cards in one pack. Wow, let's see if there's any. Right there. That one has the RPA 101 J nails. Did I just call it? Come on. Hopefully. Oh, we always gotta smell the box. Bring back OG. Alright, let's go. I'll put that behind the Phoenix. Let's go. So we're going to save that pack for last. I think that's where our jersey card is. But it's pretty hard to tell in these. But let's see. So Saquon Barkley. Who got the Super Bowl MVP? Because I'm really curious. It's probably Jalen Hurts or something. Alright, so we got CJ Stroud on the, is that an Optic? Oh, that's an Optic. CJ Stroud, Mystique, Brock Bowers. I would take that any day. Ennis, Rake, Stan, and just some base end of the pack. But Brock Bowers, man, I will take that. I really hope he pulls something good. Then we just put the base right to the side. Alright, so far, a little good. It's just the first pack, and we got a jersey card to the side. Joe Burrow on the back. I don't know if that's a good sign. Let's see. No, I did not know that we can get kabooms here. Michael Vick. Arians Williams. Mike Cooper. There it is. Jaden Daniels. State of art. I'll take that. I'm going to sleeve that up. Let's see. Josh Hines, and Joe Burrow. Joe Shiesty. Let's sleeve up that JD5. So guys, I'm going to tell you guys what my goal is by National. My goal is to have a Jaden Daniels kaboom. I want to send it in. I want to get like that. You know, whatever it is, like 1 week shipping, whatever. I just want to get it a month before the National and have it back before the National. See if I can make some money. Maybe. I think the person that's going to be the most hot at the National is Josh Allen. Coming off his MVP season, you know. Might be downtowns. Right there. Talking about Josh Allen. Jeremy Trotter. Match these downtowns. That's a sick card. OBJ, man. He's retiring. Sick card, man. I love that one, actually. OBJ with Malik. That's pretty nice. Saquon Barkley and OBJ. Imagine if they stayed on the same team. The two together would be phenomenal. You know? Phenomenal. AR and some base. Alright. Yeah, but that is a cool card. I'm surprised they didn't get copyrighted or something. Or OBJ didn't really care because that's like his really old team. I'm surprised he's like, why the frick are you putting me on a card? I don't even play for that team no more. But it's whatever. Probably could have sued him if he really wanted to. But pretty Mystique. That pack sucked. Literally nothing in that pack. Just base. Down to our last two packs. I feel like this went by so quick. I could have been talking. I'll stop talking so it can go by slower. CD, Brian, Mitchell, Stephon, Dal Stern, that's a nice one. Eagles, Saquon. I don't know how they don't get copyrighted. Well, he probably doesn't care because he's retired, but... And OBJ's retiring. I don't know. I wouldn't understand why they would put a different player, a Ravens player, on a Giants card. I don't know. It's a little weird. But it's fine. I'm not the one getting sued, I hope. Mystique, Keon. Yep. Just leave that up. And then all base. So far only one JD5, but after this pack, well, we already did go through this pack. But after I sue up this one, Keon Coleman, we have our jersey. So I am looking for RPA. This is our one chance for RPA of JD5, Keon, you know, just RPA in general, or like a good patch. I was just looking for something cool by a good player, or a mid player, I don't know. But let's stop talking, because this pack's not going to be open by himself. Yes, there is a mem card. We might have to open it from the back. Oh my god, it's so fat. I don't want to, like, peek. Okay, after this is our mem. CJ. Broncos. Let's open it from the back. Okay, I just got those two. An AR, okay. Okay, so it looks like it's coming down. Pat Furmouth. Uh-oh. Bruh. At least it was AR. But, and we got Bo next, so that sucked. It could have been way worse though, guys. They do put a lot of real crap in here. Could have been a little worse. Not that much worse, but you know. I could have gotten Josh Booty. AR's someone. Josh Booty's no one. Josh Booty's not a real player. Oh. Well, I got robbed in that box. But if all the boxes had Jane Daniels auto or something good like that. These wouldn't be worth crap. So, celebrate when you hit big, and you don't when you don't. Can't all be winners, but it's fine, because I just wasted 50 bucks on absolutely garbage. Well, 55, technically 60 after tax. Alright, well, we're going to do a quick little hit recap. I don't really know what we hit, but, you know, Jordan Love, a bunch of Bates, Saquon, Dallas Turner. You know, just booties at Russell. Nice. Anthony Gold. You know, just a bunch of booty for that, but I guess these are the good ones. The top loaders. Alright. AR, patch, Bo Nix, a little cool one. Ken Coleman. JJ McCarthy. Mike Neighbors. JD5. And Brock Bowers. Spellbound. Now they do it A to Z. Used to be just his name, but this is technically a part of his name because he's got 2 B's. This was one of them. Alright, guys. Overall, L box for real. Disappointing. Now I'm gonna go buy a couple more boxes and waste even more of my money and get scammed. Alright, well, enough complaining. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next one. Subscribe.